Hello guys, welcome to today's class. So today I'll be teaching on how to edit something like this. See, I did this picture some time ago, so I want to make a video for you so that you know how I did it. Hello guys, welcome to today's class. So I'll be teaching how you can make a beautiful picture like this one from this roll. So if you're just joining me for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my future updates. I usually do more of discovering videos and tutorials on Photoshop and more. Everything I do, everything I know, I share it on my channel, so please follow me. So the first thing we'll do, let's trim our images. So I don't want this video to be too long. I will fasten it up a bit. So just trim my image, this. So make sure you have a very clean trimming. Just trim it. So guys, I'm through trimming my image, so I'm just trying to go through every part of the image. Now put your feather, which is 2 or 1.5, and Command J or Ctrl J on your window. Then let's bring it our background. First thing, another thing I want to do, I want to fill up this part of this background. So I'll duplicate this and try and fill it up. I'll click on it to highlight the image and come here and expand it. Let's expand it so that we can fill the background. Guys, we are through. You can see, let me turn it off. See, we have just our background here. So for those of you who are asking me how do I take out image from background, this is how you can take out image from background. Also, you can do this for any image at all. You can take out the image and you can use the background if you wish to use it for someone else, if the quality of the background is high enough. So I will fill it now, fill it so that everywhere will be white. So guys, this is it. So let's turn out our background back. So I'm trying to save so that I won't miss any of the thing that I'm doing.